I would like to ask a question that I understand that Durood is not allowed to recite it in sajdah. Is it allowed to say Durood in our own language in sajdah?
Not Durood. I have not heard of Durood being forbidden. Maybe I don't remember exactly. But verses from the Holy Quran are forbidden to be recited in sajdah. That I know about it. There is a tradition forbidding us. But about Durood I don't remember. Do you remember any tradition?
Yes, the Holy Quran.
Yes, that I know, but there is something you can find out.
Yes, I learned that from
Might have misunderstood, or if not, then you quote where you exactly read that.
My second question, if I may ask, is that in the Holy Quran, the Quranic prayers, we can't say those in sajdah, but can we say those in our own language in sajdah?
Why must you defeat the spirit? The point is that when Ahmad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam does not promote you to say a thing, to change form and do the same thing is not the correct spirit. Is there no time apart from sajdah when you must say that?
This is, I'm asking not for my own point, but this is for the belief, if we want to explain this to the opposition or to the...
No, what I was going to say is it's not necessary. It's always better to be on the safe side. When you are forbidden from doing something, you better restrain yourself.